Try not to get too emotional, but I mean, it's upsetting, you know, to say the least.
Unnerving to know that Bill Elder's wife could have died after carbon monoxide seeped into his Clarksville home.
So my daughter come and kick the door in and get her out of here. She was in bed. If she'd have been there 20 more minutes, she'd have died.
Elder's doctor says they're lucky. He says his wife and son started feeling sick the day before Christmas Eve.
He was having headaches and everything. Well, he throwed up all over the living room floor.
And his family's case is not unique. Clarksville officials say since Saturday, they've taken more than 100 calls of reported carbon monoxide leaks, with 4 people going to the hospital.
It's been labeled as a silent killer, you know, and there have been those horror stories that, you know, entire families don't wake up. That was my fear as a fire chief.
Chief Brandon Skaggs says they had to shut off the gas to the homes and businesses affected, but fortunately, many people received shelter or were able to shelter in place. Now, he says calls are still coming in, but it's mostly out of fear.
We'll come out and check, you know, and we want to make sure you feel safe in your home here in Clarksville.
Town manager Kevin Beatty says county officials and the Indiana Regulatory Commission will conduct an investigation into the leaks. Beatty says Centerpoint, the company at the center of the gas leaks, should have come forward sooner.
The public not knowing only gives the opportunity for the public to make uneducated decisions. And those uneducated decisions could lead to disaster.
In a statement, Centerpoint says it found the majority of the calls were due to improper appliance venting. The company also points to extreme weather as causing strain to customers' equipment. While Elder says he feels blessed that he and his family are alive, he wants more answers.
I don't know who's to blame at this point. I'm not going to call no numbers, but, you know, somebody's responsible. I'll say that much.
Clarksville officials say the investigation is ongoing. In Clarksville, Bobby McSwine, WHAS 11 on your side.